Meaning of Howard University.
Howard University.
Howard University.
Howard University.
Howard University. Howard University is a private, research university located in Washington, D.C., United States. It was founded in 1867 by Oliver Otis Howard, a Union Army general, and serves as a historically black college. The university offers undergraduate, graduate, and professional degree programs in various fields such as arts, sciences, engineering, communications, business, law, medicine, dentistry, and pharmacy. Howard University has a rich history of producing notable alumni who have made significant contributions in various fields, including politics, entertainment, sports, and education. Overall, Howard University is renowned for its commitment to academic excellence, social justice, and diversity.